easy to spin out with this low gear. Welcome to Adventures on a Dad Bike. I am so stoked. I got, after 2 months of looking, because there's nothing, because of the pandemic, there's no sports equipment, there's nothing. I finally got a 2020 Rocky Mountain Blizzard. It's a fat bike, and it is so great. It's winter here. I've moved out of the city. I'm living in this amazing wilderness. This is the lake I live on. It's pretty fantastic. It's beautiful. It's been an amazingly great winter. It was pretty mild in December, so I was able to gravel ride until almost Christmas. In January was mild, but a bit of snow. So I did some cross-country skiing, some snowshoeing, and I've been looking everywhere for one of these. This is its maiden voyage. I am loving it. It's the basic model. 2020 came with a 9-speed. The guy I bought it off of only had it for about 6 months. He upgraded it to SRAM 11-speed, which is fantastic. He bought hydro brakes for it. These are mechanicals. He didn't put them on because he ended up buying the same bike, but he wanted front suspension because of the trails he uses. And his wife told him, you got to get rid of something. So happy for me. I was the first guy who saw his post. He honored that, held it for me for the 2.5 hours it took me to get down there to pick it up. But it's great. It's so fun and such a workout. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. So enjoy some of these trails. I'm just gonna turn on the GoPro and let it run. Lots of fun. Lots and lots of fun. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Life jacket zone. I'm not wearing my life jacket. It's breezy out here. Wow. Really breezy out here. So I call this the snowmobile superhighway because it's like a main route for snowmobiles connecting both ends of the lake. But I figured it'd be nice packed down for this. And it's not too bad. It's a little slippy. Not too bad. Yeah, definitely a good workout. But fun. So nice. So nice. Warm out here. With 4 layers on, and I'm wearing black. Just a perfect solar collector. I think it's about -6 with a breeze. Gorgeous February winter day. I love it. Been out here on my skis a bunch of times, but first time on a bike. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I actually never thought I would buy a fat bike. It wasn't until we made the decision to move up here back in the spring, and I thought, winter's coming, I gotta stay active. Skiing's great, snowshoeing's great, my indoor trainer is okay. I use it, but not a lot because it's a bit boring. So I thought, okay, now I might consider a fat bike, except nothing there, nothing available. I looked at a few different models, everybody's sold out. Everybody. No bike shops have any, manufacturers don't have any until probably the end of 2021. So obviously start looking in the used market. which is pretty great, except I'm competing with a couple hundred other people looking for fat bikes, and I lucked out. I really lucked out. For my debut run, first time on a fat bike, it's pretty great. Sort of checks all those winter boxes. I get outside, collecting some vitamin D, good exercise, really good workout. And I'm on a bike. I'm on a bike. It's so good, so good. Not killing any speed records though. Nope, not doing that. Thanks for watching. I had a great day. It's so much fun. I'm going to be doing this as much as I can until the snow's gone. I think I've got another 3 or 4 weeks probably. I'm going to be out here a lot. Anyway, if you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and thanks for watching. Nice.